Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewz Heaven, your go-to spot for honest and helpful product reviews. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital kitchen timers that'll make sure you never burn a cake or overcook your steak again. Whether you're cooking, baking, working out, or even meditating, these timers are smart, stylish, and super easy to use, perfect for busy kitchens and beyond. We've tested features like big displays, loud alarms, strong magnets, and even memory presets so you can pick the right one for your needs. All the product buying links are down in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. AOUCE 2-Pack Digital Kitchen Timer. The AOUCE 2-Pack Digital Kitchen Timer is like having two tiny, loud kitchen coaches cheering you on. With big buttons, a large display, and a buzzer loud enough to wake the neighbor's cat, it keeps you on track while cooking or baking. The clean, bright design even makes it look smarter than most of us on Monday mornings. Its alarm is crystal clear and easy to hear, even if you've wandered off to binge watch your favorite show. Don't worry, though, it politely shuts up after 30 seconds if you're too busy to come running. Thanks, little buddy. With a strong magnetic back, stand, and hook, it sticks, stands, or hangs wherever you need. Fridge, wall, or maybe even your forehead if you're really forgetful. It counts up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds, which is plenty of time to burn dinner perfectly. And here's the cherry on top. It remembers your last time. So, no need to reset it every single time. Simple, reliable, and just a bit sassy. Exactly what your kitchen needs. Number 2. ThermoPro 24 Hours Digital Kitchen Timer. The ThermoPro TM02 digital timer is like having two super organized friends in one little gadget. Thanks to its dual timers, you can juggle dinner and dessert, or homework and a workout, without burning either one. It even counts up to 23 hours and 59 minutes, just in case your souffle takes all day. With its stainless steel jacket, this timer doesn't just tick, it slays. It's way classier and tougher than those flimsy plastic ones that scream college dorm. Plus, you can adjust the alarm volume, go silent if the kids are napping, and it even remembers your last setting. Smarter than most of us before coffee. Need a clock? Done. Calendar? Check. Fridge buddy? Of course. The stand and magnet mean it'll happily sit wherever you need it, without complaints. And the big, backlit screen? Easy to read, even in the middle of the night snack raid. Sleek, reliable, and just a little cheeky, this timer makes multitasking actually fun. Number 3. eTradewinds Elegant Digital Kitchen Timer. The eTradewinds Elegant Kitchen Timer, Model ET23, is proof that even a timer can have a personality. Gone are those annoying little button beeps. Finally, some peace while you boil eggs. You can even wear it like a necklace or bracelet, because nothing says chef like accessorizing with a timer. The handy stand keeps it upright, unless you prefer to lean it dramatically like it's posing for a photo shoot. Setting it is a breeze. Fast forward the time, pause, restart, or let it remember your go-to setting for tomorrow's breakfast routine. Its big, bright LCD display is easy to read even if you're squinting pre-coffee, and the loud but polite beep makes sure you don't forget dinner while doom scrolling. Thanks to its super strong magnet and anti-wobble design, this timer won't go flying into your soup when you press a button. Soup deserves better. With its lifetime warranty and charming style, this little guy might just outlast your oven. Pretty neat for a timer with such sass. Number 4. VOCOO Magnetic Digital Kitchen Timer. The VOCOO Digital Kitchen Timer is proof that time really can look good. With just one twist and a press, you're all set. No more button-mashing marathons. Even kids and grandma can master it faster than they find the TV remote. And it's blissfully quiet. No annoying ticking to mess with your zen while cooking or working out. That giant 3-inch LED display, bright enough to see from across the kitchen or across the galaxy, probably. And you can pick your vibe, loud, soft, or mute if you're feeling mysterious. It counts down, counts up, and never counts you out. Thanks to its strong magnets and silicone grips, it sticks to the fridge like it was born there. No more timers slipping into the mashed potatoes. Bonus, it even saves battery with eco mode and comes with batteries included, because it's nice like that. Durable, stylish, and smart enough to make your oven jealous. This timer just might be the best kitchen sidekick you'll ever have. Number 5. JUNVIL Upgrade Magnetic Digital Kitchen Timer. The JUNVIL Upgrade Digital Kitchen Timer is the kind of helper we all wish we had. Bright, reliable, and never complains. Its big LED display is so clear, you'll spot it even if your glasses are somewhere else. Perfect for cooking, workouts, or pretending to meditate while actually napping. Operating it is laughably easy. Just spin the dial, press start, and boom, you're timing like a pro. Feeling lazy? No worries. The 3 preset times, 5, 15, 25 minutes, have your back. Even your dog could set this thing if it had thumbs. Thanks to its super strong magnet, this timer clings to your fridge like it's auditioning for a superhero movie. And yes, you can adjust it right there without it sliding into the salad bowl. The alarm volume adjusts to your mood. Whisper quiet, medium chill, or wake the neighbors loud. Count down or count up, it handles everything with style. It's so good, you might just time yourself admiring it. Hey, no judgment. Thanks for watching this Reviewz Heaven roundup of the best digital kitchen timers. We hope you found the perfect one for your needs. Don't forget, all the product buying links are in the description box below. Check them out, and happy timing. See you in the next review.